Question number 1.
Which sentence is correct? A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She doesn't likes coffee.
Question number 2.
Choose the correct form. A. He have finished his homework. B. He has finished his homework. C. He has finished his homework.
Question number 3.
Pick the correct sentence. A. I am going to home. B. I am going home. C. I going home.
Question number 4.
Which is correct? A. I saw him yesterday. B. I seen him yesterday. C. I have saw him yesterday.
Question number 5.
Correct usage. A. She is married with a doctor. B. She is married to a doctor. C. She is married by a doctor.
Question number 6.
Which sentence is correct? A. The dog is sleeping under the table. B. The dog sleeping under the table. C. The dog sleeps under the table now.
Question number 7.
Choose the right question tag. A. She's a teacher, isn't she? B. She's a teacher, doesn't she? C. She's a teacher, won't she?
Question number 8.
Correct tense. A. They was playing football. B. They were playing football. C. They playing football.
Question number 9.
Which is correct? A. This is my book. B. This are my book. C. This be my book.
Question number 10.
Fill in. I will call you dash I or I've. A. When. B. Where. C. Which.
Question number 11.
Which is correct? A. There is much people here. B. There are many people here. C. There are much people here.
Question number 12.
Choose the correct sentence. A. He drives carefully. B. He drives careful. C. He drives care.
Question number 13.
Which is right? A. I am interested in music. B. I am interested in music. C. I am interested in music.
Question number 14.
Correct preposition. A. She is afraid for spiders. B. She is afraid of spiders. C. She is afraid on spiders.
Question number 15.
Which sentence is correct? A. Neither of the answers is correct. B. Neither of the answers are correct. C. Neither of the answer is correct.
Question number 16.
Correct passive voice. Active. They built the house in 1990. A. The house was built in 1990. B. The house built in 1990.
Question number 17.
Which is correct? A. She speaks English very good. B. She speaks English very well. C. She speak English very well.
Question number 18.
Fill in. If I dash rich, I would travel the world. A. Were. B. Was. C. Am.
Question number 19.
Which is correct? A. Let's go for a walk. B. Let us going for a walk. C. Let we go for a walk.
Question number 20.
Correct form. A. I visited London last year. B. I visited London last year. C. I was visited London last year.
Question number 21.
Which sentence is correct? A. She suggested that we leave early. B. She suggested us to leave early. C. She suggested for us to leave early.
Question number 22.
Correct comparative. A. My car is more fast than yours. B. My car is faster than yours. C. My car is fastest than yours.
Question number 23.
Fill in. It's no use dash about it now. A. Worrying. B. Worry. C. To worry.
Question number 24.
Which is correct? A. She said she was tired. B. She said she tired. C. She said she is tired.
Question number 25.
Correct article use. A. He's an honest man. B. He is the honest man. C. He is the honest man.
Question number 26.
Which is correct? A. The scissors are on the table. B. The scissors is on the table. C. The scissors are on the table.
Question number 27.
Fill in. I am looking forward to dash from you. A. Hearing. B. Hear. C. To hear.
Question number 28.
Which is correct? A. The news is surprising. B. The news are surprising. C. The news have surprising.
Question number 29.
Correct form. A. She sings beautifully. B. She sings beautiful. C. She sings beauty.
Question number 30.
Which is correct? A. I have less books than you. B. I have fewer books than you. C. I have few books than you.
Question number 31.
Fill in. He has been here dash Monday. A. Since. B. For. C. From.
Question number 32.
Which sentence is correct? A. The number of students is increasing. B. The number of students are increasing. C. The number of students have increasing.
Question number 33.
Correct idiom use. A. We need to hit the books. B. We need to hit books. C. We need hitting the books.
Question number 34.
Which is correct? A. She let me borrow her book. B. She let me to borrow her book. C. She lets me to borrow her book.
Question number 35.
Fill in. He congratulated me dash my success. A. On B. For C. At.
Question number 36.
Which is correct? A. My friend and I went to the market. B. My friend and me went to the market. C. Me and my friend went to the market.
Question number 37.
Correct tense. A. By next year, I will have finished my studies. B. By next year, I will finish my studies. C. By next year, I will finish my studies.
Question number 38.
Which is correct? A. He is senior to me. B. He is senior than me. C. He is more senior than me.
Question number 39.
Fill in. The book is different dash the film. A. From B. To C. Than.
Question number 40.
Which is correct? A. The police is looking for the suspect. B. The police are looking for the suspect. C. The police has looking for the suspect.
Question number 41.
Correct question. A. What does this word mean? B. What means this word? C. What does mean this word?
Question number 42.
Which is correct? A. I prefer tea to coffee. B. I prefer tea than coffee. C. I prefer tea over than coffee.
Question number 43.
Fill in. She hasn't seen him dash last year. A. Since B. For C. From.
Question number 44.
Which is correct? A. Mathematics is difficult. B. Mathematics are difficult. C. Mathematics have difficult.
Question number 45.
Correct article usage. A. We saw a European tourist. B. We saw an European tourist. C. We saw the European tourist.
Question number 46.
Which is correct? A. He doesn't have any money. B. He don't have any money. C. He doesn't has any money.
Question number 47.
Fill in. She insisted paying for the meal. A. On B. For C. 2.
Question number 48.
Which is correct? A. I wish I were taller. B. I wish I was taller. C. I wish I am taller.
Question number 49.
Correct spelling. A. Definitely. B. Definitely. C. Definitely.
Question number 50.
Which is correct? A. The trousers are new. B. The trousers is new. C. The trouser are new.
How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Share this quiz with your friends' family. Let them test their English skills too. Like, share, subscribe for more quiz.